Okay then, so how to add images to your posts or your pages. So I'm in the dashboard, I'm in pages, I've gone to all new pages, or all pages rather, and I've picked out my page food and recipes. Okay, so adding an image is easy. Just above the kitchen sink here we have what you call upload insert for an image, a video, audio, and just a media in general, which could mean media, stuff like but basically everything. All your media gets held into the media area. If you go up to here and if you clicked on media library, you'd go to the media library where all your images are uploaded to. So if you want to add media, you could always do it from the menu on the left hand side here, and you click add new and you can add media there. The way we're going to do it, we're going to do it straight into the post. So we're going to click here, we're going to add an image, we're going to click on that, and it's going to bring up the media box. And now we're in the media box, we're going to add a file. So we're going to select file from computer, and we're going to select this file here. You can select your image. It's going to crunch it and put it all together and upload it for you, and once it's done so, it comes up with some options here, as you can see. Now what you want to do is, it's important to give your image a title. So we're going to put healthy food for this image. Now I'm using keywords, and they're keywords to do with my product. So for example, you wouldn't call this I don't know, some people call their images numbers, so they say 101, image 101 or image 102 or whatever. That's stupid, because Google isn't going to know what it is, or search engines aren't going to know what this image is all about. So they want to know, they want it to link to your website. So when someone goes to Google or Yahoo or any search engine and types in healthy food, you want your page to appear somewhere. We're going to talk a lot more about keywords and SEO in our SEO module, which is later on in this course. But for now, we're just going to add this image in. I'm just going to put some keywords, and we're going to research this later. But I'm going to put some sort of keywords which I'm working towards at the moment. Alternative text, same reason you want it as an image. The other reason for putting alternative text in is the browser reads this alternative text. Now, if someone is visually impaired and they can't see very well, or they can't see at all, they have a screen reader that will read the images to them and read the page to them, and it will say something along the lines of, this is an image, and the alternative, or this is an image of, they've used an example there of the Mona Lisa, you know, or for example, this is an image of fruit and veg is what I'm going to put, or something like that. So that's why it's important, because the screen reader will read the image to the visually impaired person. So we're putting here, this is, or I'm going to even say, a selection of fruits and veg. And the caption, now the caption puts actually this caption on the image. I don't want to put that on the image, so I'm going to leave that blank. And then a description, same reason, for screen reading and things like that, and also for Google and other search engines. So I'm just going to put in here, now again I'm going to use that for keywords. As you can see, I've used healthy eating, lifestyle, things like that, diet, which all link to my website. Then here you've got alignment. You can align it to the left, you can give it no alignment, we can align it in the centre or right. Now in this case I'd like it to be on the left hand side, so I'm going to put left, and I'm going to put size, I'm going to keep it medium, and I'm going to put here insert into post. You've also got the opportunity to use it as a featured image, so it would feature this page as that image. I would recommend having a play around with that. I prefer not to bother, I prefer just to insert it into the post as a normal web page would be, or what I would consider a normal web page, and then that's there like that. Now for an example, I'm going to go over to this website here. This website is Libsyn.com, and what it is, it's basically it is a website where you can get dummy content. and it's basically Latin, I believe, and you can put in here, down here, you can see here, you can put paragraphs, words. I'm going to go for 3 paragraphs, and I'm going to click generate, and this is going to generate me 3 paragraphs of content, fake content if you like, dummy content, which I can copy and paste into my website, just because I want to see what it looks like. I haven't got my content yet, so I'm just going to use some sort of fake content just because I want to see what it looks like with content. I'm going to populate this later with proper content, which I'm going to do some research in, and we're going to do that together in later modules. But for the time being, I want to just put some dummy content so we can see what this image looks like and what this page looks like. So I'm going to click update, and that has now updated the page. Now I'm going to preview that. So I'm going to go into my food and recipes, and I'm going to click Control Fresh here, and that now shows with the image and everything like that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I am going to do this manually. I want to show you how to do it manually. You can do it another way, so I'm going to delete the image, and we're going to do it a completely different way. We're going to do it in HTML, and this is a code which I recommend you learn as time goes on, and I'm going to be doing some tutorials on a completely separate course about this, just simply because I think it's a good thing to learn some basic HTML. So this is the page with the HTML, and we're going to put some code in.